Hello, here we are, guys. Finally we have some matchbox on our table, and this one is Lincoln Continental. It is made by Lesney, 1979, number 28. This one looks quite complete. Don't see something missing on it. Nothing much to show, guys. It's gonna be pretty much just open the rivets, put in the stripper, give it a good clean. Obviously we're gonna polish the screens, and this one most probably we're gonna paint it in white. We will see how it's gonna come up after a good clean, but definitely we need a paint. And then just detailed, and that's it. That will be all. So guys, I will see you later with the final product. Bye for now, see you later. Hello, and welcome back to our final video with our Lincoln Continental. This is a matchbox, super fast. Is a 1979 Lesney. Production number, I think is number, I can't see very well, I think number 5, I think so. As you did see, was like a pinkish Mr. Pinky car. I don't like that color. Red would be nice as well, but as I tell you so many times, guys, this end up on my shelf, so they don't really need to be exactly the matching colors. I usually do them which color I like it. So yeah, just in case if I get bored, I just strip it again and paint it again whatever color I want. So yeah, we didn't do much on this one. Just it was nothing to fix on it. Just take it off, paint the base black, little bit of details, just polish the front. I didn't put any chrome on it. Side lights, here on the grills I did a bit of details on it. Here in the front, wheels chromed, the rims in the back, lights, and paint the convertible roof painted black. Polish the screen, and the steering inside I painted black. So yeah, but other than that, it was not much to be done on it. It does roll. Hope you like it, guys. If you do, you know the drill, guys. Give us a thumbs up, and what can I say? I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.